Hello guys, I'm Alan Chris. To tell you in this tutorials how to recover your email ID without having especially recovery email and recovery phone number. In case you have lost your device or someone hacked or hijacked your email ID, someone has changed the password of your email ID, how do you recover it? In this tutorial especially I will show you alternative way without having of recovery email or of course recovery emails. How do you access to quickly recover it? By giving the sufficient information to the Google, that's how can you secure that this account is really yours. Right now see guys here, it's the one viewer who has recommended to the recover, and she couldn't sign in you. This kind of the problem I'm facing here. If I go for try again, what will happen here? See, I will go for next, and as we see here, it is asking for the password. We don't have a password, so just we will go for try again. And now see, it's asking for the phone number. We don't have a phone number also, so how can I? Now see here, it's saying the couldn't signs. If I do multiple times here, Google will give an opportunity to send via alternative email with proof that this account is really yours. So by giving the sufficient information or enough information also, we can claim, and within 48 hours when we will get a reply email of especially I'm the Google, so then if it really belongs to me, then I can generate the strong password and recovery number or emails. But if we don't have, we would like to have the quickly response, then we will cut it from here, and thereupon of course we will go in a Play Store. We will write here Max 10 of course browser, and thereupon of course we will go for install it. So see here, it has started to install. On the other hand, of course we will have to come in a Google product and hold especially Google Chrome, Google, and click on a help icon. And thereupon of course we will have to go for here notification that should be blocked, and of course we will back and we'll go in the permission, navigate the location guys. So of course we will have to go for tap on a locations, make it disable the precise location, click don't allow, and if you deny these permissions, basic feature of your special device may be no longer function as intended. No problem at all. For timing I'm doing it. We'll back, and of course we will come in a Chrome browser, and thereupon hold it in the Chrome browser, click on a help icon. Let's see here. Now that we came here, now we will have to go for notification. We will have to make it block, and of course click on a permission, navigate the location, make the precise disable this precise location that should be disabled guys, and thereupon of course click on a don't allow enemy, of course have it. Now we will back, and of course we will back and click on a browser app, and of course selection this ones, and thereupon we will back. Let's open this browser. We will accept a term and condition guys, and thereupon of course here we will write google.co.in. just we will have to write, cut it from here, and thereupon of course we will write here, let's say keyboard, we will have to Google co.in. just we will have to, according to our country code we will have to have, and thereupon now here is a sign into Google. Just we will click on here, and now we are on here. Just see guys, once again we will click on here a little bit. See, we will have to this let it close. Now We will write here this particular ID. So yes, we will go for @gmail.com. Let's see. Yes, now we will go for forgot password. Now, step by step you will have to proceed, and of course you will be able to. Now it's asking to the phone number. We don't have a number, so now it's also saying that I couldn't sign in, so don't click on a try again, otherwise it will be a freeze for time being, guys. So in that condition, what is the alternative options? Let's see now. We will tap on a setting, guys, and of course after coming the setting, we will have to pick Google service, this one. Now in a Google service, of course we will have to click on a help option, and thereupon we will have to pick this ones. Now we have option according to your requirement. You can pick this ones. Which one is that? Just a fourth number. Think that you think someone else is using your account, means in case you have lost your device, however someone is using. In case someone who has changed the password, however it's using, and someone hijacked, changed the password, however, so you think someone else is using. Just we will have to pick this fourth one, and thereupon of course we will go for secure your account, and thereupon we will back. Now here try to check it out. Review your account activities. Now here just to see, find out if your account has been hacked. Just to see here, so just we will pick this one, and as we see here, now just we will scroll and click on a account recovery page. Just pick this one. So now we would be directly here. Now we will have to enter the here ID once again. So let's see. Now just what we will do here, guys, just we will click on a next. Now see guys, here just we will be on a directly landed here. Now here what we have to do, just we will have to click not now, and here now see here, don't click on continue, just we will have to click on a here change the password, and now we have an opportunity to change the password quickly. Now see here guys, what happens, step by step do it, and simple easy. Maybe it's false, yeah, maybe fiasco, anything happens, but now directly we have the result here, and of course we can here create the strong password, and then we can click on a change the password. So if I able to change the password, then we'll go for inside, and there we can add the recovery number, we can add the recovery email, and thereupon this ID is your. How easily this can be recovered, guys. So this is all about in this video tutorial. Further any inquiry, of course, I have the query below the comment box. Pleasure would be mine to the reply or the query, guys. So thank you very much indeed. Live recorded, we cannot generate here the password, guys, but of course now we have options to change the password. So thank you very much indeed.